How to install VN on Windows PC. To install and use VN Video Editor on PC, there is no official version available. The solution is to use an emulator such as BlueStacks or LD Player. Download and install BlueStacks from its official website, making sure your PC meets the minimum requirement for smooth performance. Once BlueStacks is installed, open it and sign in with your Google account. Next, open the Google Play Store inside BlueStacks and use the search bar to type VN. Locate the official VN Video Editor app and click Install. Wait for the download and installation to complete. After installation, you can open VN directly from the BlueStacks home screen. Explore the user-friendly interface and start creating or editing your videos immediately. BlueStacks allows you to run VN on your PC just like on a mobile device, giving you the flexibility to use a bigger screen and keyboard controls for easier editing. Now you know how to install VN on Windows PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.